Not everyone enjoys being single. The feeling of being embraced by your boyfriend and smelling the faint fragrance of his cologne can be comforting and make you feel connected. If you desire to have a boyfriend but are struggling to find one, this video can provide some useful tips to help you on your journey towards finding true love and a warm cuddle partner. So, if you're interested in building a meaningful connection with a boyfriend, try engaging in new activities, accepting invites, and going out of the house. To meet new guys and potentially find a boyfriend, you can either pursue a relationship with someone you already know or take a chance on meeting someone new. Before committing to anyone, make sure they have qualities you are looking for in a relationship. It's essential to be genuine when meeting new people, so avoid being fake or putting on a facade. Joining clubs, taking community classes, or participating in activity groups can help you meet people with similar interests. Whether it's playing a sport, taking an art class, or joining a study group, you'll have an instant conversation starter. Going out to clubs and talking to new people is another option, but it's important to be cautious and use common sense in social situations. If you prefer online interactions, try finding a group or forum related to your interests. However, be mindful of sharing personal information with people you don't know. Overall, have fun and enjoy the process of meeting new people. Using dating apps to find potential partners. One way to meet guys who you wouldn't normally come across is by trying out a dating app. To get started, create a profile with some quality photos and a few fun facts about yourself. Be honest about what you're looking for in a relationship. When you match with someone, keep your messages light and engaging. There are several ways to start a conversation, such as asking for recommendations, bringing up something from their profile, finding out what they like to do in their free time, or even starting a playful debate about a controversial topic. Just remember to keep it fun and respectful. Get to know him before jumping into a relationship. Before deciding if someone is a good match for a relationship, take the time to get to know them a little. Don't judge them solely on their appearance, as you'll want to find out if they meet your standards for dating. Consider what you value most in a partner, like a good sense of humor, intelligence, or kindness, and look for these qualities during your initial conversations. If the person seems completely different from what you're looking for, don't settle for them just because they're attractive. If you met them online and have a bad feeling about them, or their profile and pictures seem too perfect, prioritize your safety and don't meet them in person. Ensuring he's single before pursuing a relationship. Before pursuing any kind of relationship with someone, it's important to make sure that they are not already in a committed relationship. It's best to respect their current relationship and avoid causing any unnecessary complications or drama. Put yourself in their shoes and think about how you would feel if someone were to meddle in your own relationship. Chances are, you wouldn't appreciate it either. By backing off and respecting their relationship, you're doing what's best for everyone involved, including yourself. Remember, there are plenty of other potential partners out there, so keep searching and don't give up hope. Gather opinions about him from others to get a better sense of who the guy is. It can be helpful to ask around and see what other people think of him. Talking to his friends, coworkers, or mutual friends can give you an idea of his character, and if he is someone you might be interested in. However, it's important to keep in mind that other people's opinions shouldn't be the sole basis of your judgment. It's essential to take the time to get to know him yourself and form your own opinions about him. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button to show your support. Don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.